This 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ has alloy wheels, wood grain interior trim, a multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth, and a navigation system. It also features the Sun, Entertainment, and Destinations package, backup camera, and a hitch receiver. Price to sell, and you need to see it in person. So stop in for your test drive today.
Visit Uftring Chevy Saab today. We're conveniently located at 1860 Washington Road in Washington, Illinois, just east of Route 8, 1 mile past Cummings Lane on the corner of Washington and Georgetown Road.